An airplane is flying with a velocity of 45 meter per second at an angle of 50-degree above the horizontal. And when the plane is 120 meter directly above a car parked on a level ground, a box drops out of the luggage compartment. What is the distance between the car and the box landed? So remember that whenever from a moving object, another object falls off, then it actually attains the same velocity unless it is given any other additional velocity. If it is released from a moving object, then it attains the same velocity as that of the object. So the object was moving at 45 meter per second at 50-degree above the horizontal. So it's like with the same velocity, the package also attains. So this is the velocity. So horizontal component is 45 cosine of 50-degree, and the vertical component is 45 sine of 50-degree. Definitely we have to find that what is the horizontal distance from here. So we already know the horizontal velocity. So horizontal distance will be what? Horizontal velocity times time. So d will be equal to the horizontal velocity, which we have made components as 45 cosine of 50 times time. So the time is the only thing which we need to find, right? And that's where we use the vertical motion. Horizontal. For the vertical motion, remember that the initial speed is given and the displacement is given, and the acceleration due to gravity is also known to us as 9.8 meter per second square. So can we find the time of flight? Actually, we can, because we can use the second equation of motion, that s is equal to v naught t plus half a t square. So let's say I'm taking the downward direction as positive, so the displacement is 120. Initial speed will be negative 45, negative 45. So this is minus 45 times t, sorry, minus 45 sine of 50 times t plus half acceleration is 9.8 t square. So that's a quadratic equation, right? And we have to solve for the value of t from here. So definitely we can use a calculator. So the value of t which we are getting is, I just used a calculator, is 9.59 seconds up to 2 decimal places. And this t we can definitely substitute here over here. So the value of the distance d comes out as 45 cosine of 50 degrees times the time. Time is 9.59. So this value comes out as 45 times cosine of 50 times 9.59. So this is coming as 277.39, and the unit is definitely meter. So this is the horizontal distance between the packet and the what do you call it as the car. Thank you.